Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to replenish. Let's begin. Stand on the top of the mat, toes heels touch, four corners of your feet pressing down, firmly strong. Inhale, arms up, soften your shoulders. And exhale, forward bend, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up, crown to the tailbone long. Exhale, bend your knee, plant your hand and step back. Right leg back and left. Plank pose. Inhale. You can bring your knees down if you want. Is inhale, exhale all the way down to upper facing dog, Uba Mukha Shavasana. And exhale either directly go to downward facing or keep your knees down, tuck your toes and downward facing dog. Okay? And Adho Mukha Shavasana. Let's take 5 breaths here while twisting. So right leg grasp somewhere on your left leg. Open your chest to the side. Twist it downward facing dog. Okay. Exhale, release. Left hand grasps somewhere on your right leg. Open your chest to the side. Make sure press your heels down and use your arms to open your chest to the side. And straight back to downward facing dog. And inhale, right leg swing up. And exhale, step between your hands. Back heel down. Inhale, swing all the way up. Front knee straight. Arms one line. Inhale, exhale. Reach forward. When you reach the limit, bring your hands on your ankle or floor. Trikonasana. Triangle pose. And from here, reverse Trikonasana. Trikonasana. So make sure to breathe. Breathe. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Walk on floor. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. About 5 times. Straight. Now turn your toes. 45-degree angle. Keep wide legged stance. From here, inhale. And exhale, bend your knee align with your toes. Hips underneath your head. Don't drop your hips. Hips forward. Knee open. Soften your shoulders. Open your chest, widen your collarbones and smile. Stay there. If you wanna challenge furthermore, drop your hips down. Yes. And don't collapse your knees, knee pointing same direction as your toes. Okay, tailbone underneath your head. Stay with me. Big inhale, exhale. One more big breath. Exhale. Now straighten your legs. Okay. Now turn back legs in, front leg to the side. Keep both knee up. Knee lifting up. Use your thigh muscle. Inhale, open your chest, open your arms, shoulder blades together. Inhale, exhale, reach your tip of your finger forward. Okay, I cannot go further than this. Now, grab your ankle, either floor, or if you are placing your hands, maybe around the side of your shin. Okay? Don't press your knee, I mean. Okay? And from here, Trikonasana to reverse Trikonasana. Let's repeat. Inhale, exhale. Walk on floor. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. Reverse. Triangle. And triangle. Inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. Very important. Walk on pranayama. Pranayama means breath. And back to center. And now straight. Keep your legs wide stance. And feel free to bend your knees, maybe toes straight or maybe in. And inhale, hands on your hips. Inhale, exhale, forward. Okay? Slide your hands. Okay? Today I kind of wanna bend my knees. Okay? Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Stay there. And bend and straight. Bend and straight. Try to feel different part has stretched. Bend and stretch. Make sure neck relax, shoulders away from ears. Bend and stretch. Good. Keep your knees bent if you want. And bring both hands to your right. And slide to your left. Inhale, exhale. So kind of swaying very gently to both sides. Keep your knees bent. Maybe one more. Semicircle. In center. Whew. So straighten your knee. Inhale halfway. Hands on your hips. Exhale all the way back. Okay? Now turn your toes. Pedal your hands. Going back to downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And here, inhale on your toes, heels up. Exhale, bring both heels to your right. Little twist. Give ourselves tiny twist. Inhale on your toes. Exhale, bring your heels to the side. Inhale on your toes. Exhale, heels to the side. Inhale on the toe. Exhale to the side. Inhale, slowly. Keep your tailbone really high up to the ceiling. Slowly bring your heels down. Gaze, drishti, gaze called drishti, between your legs. Knee, pull out. Kneecap, pull up to the socket. And on your toes, bend your knee, look forward. Jump or walk. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale, relax. Uttanasana. Inhale all the way up, hands up. Prayer to Namaste. If you feel low and drained, this sequence is designed to replenish your energy. I recommend you do it as often as you need. And check out my other video in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!